Okay, sample number 3 is find the interest rate to the near 100th in percent that produce $2,500 if 2,000 is left at interest compounded semi-annually for 3.5 years. Okay, the data that we have and the problem is future value $2,500, present value 2,000. Compounding is 2 because it's semi-annually. The problem says semi-annually. And T is 3.5 years. They need to find R. Okay, one more time we're using the famous formula. Future value is equal present value 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. This is 2,500 is equal to 2,000. 1 plus, I don't know R I don't know, divided by 2 because N is 2, raised to the multiplication N and T. N times T is 7, multiplication 3.5 times 2 is 7. Okay, now you solve for R. Solve for R. Okay, entonces I propose you, for example, divide by 2,000 both sides. So we can cancel it out. Simplify lowest term is 5 over 4 is equal 1 plus R over 2 raised to the 7th power. And this is the equation, but no exponential equation. Okay, for solving this equation, you take out a 7 root, both sides. Okay, 7 root here, and 7 root here. So we have 7 root of 5 over 4 is equal 1 plus R over 2. Now subtraction. 7 root 5 over 4 minus 1 is equal R over 2. Now multiplication by 2, the answer then is R is equal to 2 times parenthesis 7 root of 5 over 4 minus 1. Okay, let's use a calculator. Okay, this is 2 times 2 parentheses, 2 times parentheses, open parentheses. 7 root, you put 7, and you select the mathematical key, the option 5, test any root. Open parentheses, 5 divided by 4, close the parenthesis, minus 1, and close another parenthesis, and press enter. Okay, now this is the answer in decimal. However, I want a percentage multiplication by 100. The answer is 6 point, approximate round to decimal place is 6.48%. Okay, example 4, find the amount of future value that result for investing a principal money P of 2,000 at annual percent rate 8% compounding continuously for 1 year. Okay, the data that we have is present value 2,000. R is 0.08 in decimal. T is equal 1 years, and the future value you don't know. Future value is question mark. The future value is equal present value exponential RT. Future value is equal 2,000 times exponential 0.08 times 1. Now one more time, use calculator. Clear is 2,000 multiplication exponential exponential raised to the 0.08 times 1. Close the parenthesis. The answer is 2,166 and 57 cents. Okay, number 5 example. A bond can be redeemed in 10 years for $1,000. How much should you be willing to pay for it now if you want a return of 7% compounded monthly? Is the first question, and 6% compound continuously. Okay, in the first part of the problem, the data is future value is 1,000. R is 7, 0.07 in decimal. N is 12. And T is 10 years. And the formula for finding the present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus R over N raised to the NT. Okay, and in our problem this is $1,000 over parenthesis 1 plus R is 0.07 over 12 raised to the multiplication this and this is 120. The exponent. Okay, now calculator. The calculator you write on calculator, clear everything. 1,000 division parenthesis 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12 close the parenthesis power 120. And the answer is $497.60. Okay, the second part of the problem is 6% compounding continuously. And the data that we have in the problem is the future value again is 1,000. R in this case is 0.06 because it's 6%. And T is equal to 10 years. I need to find future value. Future value, no, present value, sorry. Okay, the formula is present value is equal to future value exponential, but it's negative RT. Okay, so the present value is equal to 10,000 here, exponential negative R, okay, 0.06 multiplied by 10. Okay, now calculator. In the calculator, this is 1,000 times exponential. Inside the exponential we have minus 0.06 times 10. And close the parentheses and press enter. And the answer is $548.81.